The first ever Amar Chitrakatha came out more than 50 years ago. It was launched by Anant Pai, a visionary who changed the face of Indian comics forever. It wasn't long before Amar Chitrakatha had become a household name. Its immense success prompted Mr. Subba Rao, then part of the editorial team, to suggest launching another comic. This new comic would be full of stories and infotainment pieces for kids. Mr. Rao was especially interested in publishing articles about science and animal life. This idea was greeted with much enthusiasm. Soon, the team had started looking for a perfect name for this new magazine. This was no mean feat. Think hard as they might, they just could not settle on a name. Then, out of the clear blue, a phone rang. It was a call for Mr. Rao. Since he was in the middle of a meeting, he said, "I'll give you a tinkle later in the day." And that was it. Tinkle would be the name of the magazine. It was now time to let people know about this upcoming magazine. And what better way to spread the word than an ad campaign? Tinkle Tinkle Little Star, based on the well-known nursery rhyme, was aired on TV and radio. Around the same time, Mr. Pai started conducting storytelling sessions in various schools. And the first prize of the All India Storytelling Contest went to 12-year-old Elaine Dilemma, and her prize was truly special. Elaine got to launch Tinkle on the 14th of November 1980. What a way to celebrate Children's Day! The first issue of Tinkle also carried Tinkle's very first toon series, Kalia the Crow. The series chronicled the adventures of a clever crow and his animal friends. Only 27 issues later, in January 1983, the world was introduced to Tinkle's most beloved toon, Suppandi. He was adapted from a Tamil folk character, Chappandi, and immediately turned into a sensation. Over the years, Suppandi has been written by countless different writers, but the goofy essence of the simpleton remains unchanged. Tinkle's next favourite toon, Shikari Shambhu, appeared in Tinkle merely 10 issues later. Shambhu started out as a famous but cowardly hunter. However, he soon gave up his gun altogether and transformed into an animal conservationist. And all seemed to be going well until the year 1994. That year, in the month of August, a terrible fire raged in the Tinkle office. Hundreds of books from the library were charred. Fans around the country were urgently requested to send in their old Tinkle issues. And help came pouring in. In fact, to this day, several fans send in their old copies to rebuild the Tinkle library. Even though the fire destroyed the old Tinkles, this was not the biggest loss. The art and scripts for the upcoming issue were lost as well. And let's not forget, these were pre-computer days. Days when documents existed on physical papers instead of digital screens. So what was lost was lost. This was a stressful time. But instead of losing their heads, the Tinkle team got together and started working from scratch. The office was gripped by a frenzy. Everyone in the office was working frantically. Scripts were rewritten, stories were redrawn. And almost miraculously, the next issue was released on time. The response to the fire was a testimony to Tinkle's commitment to storytelling. And more than 700 issues later, the stories still continue. Over time, several new toons have joined the Tinkle battalion. Readers can now go from exploring the ordinary lives of the extraordinary sisters Ina Meena Maina Mo to joining in the thrilling adventures of Wingstar. What's more, the long-running series Kalia the Crow has been turned into Big Barn. This change shows how Tinkle continues to evolve with its readers. And as the readers go digital, so does Tinkle. The adventures of Goofy Suppandi can now be found on Suppandi and Friends YouTube channel. On the very same channel, one can also learn the secrets of how to draw in Art Room with Savio. This show is hosted by Savio Mascarenas, the talented artist of the eternal Shikari Shambhu. That's not all. You can find Tinkle's digital copies on Amazon Kindle and even on the Tinkle app. The physical copies of the magazine are just a click of a button away too. You can order them online on amarchitrakatha.com. These are just some of the many ways Tinkle stays close to you. It's been close to 40 years since the first issue of Tinkle came out. And for each of those 40 years, Tinkle has been bringing joy to countless lives every fortnight. And through these years, Tinkle has continued to be a place where learning meets fun.
This video was adapted from an Amar Chitrakatha comic. If you liked it, then click on the button above to buy this or any other book from Amar Chitrakatha. And remember to like and share and subscribe for many more stories from India's favorite storyteller, Amar Chitrakatha.